Let's create a glitch transition in Premiere Pro. I have these two clips I want to apply the glitch effect on. First, go to the project panel and create an adjustment layer. Click OK, right-click on the adjustment layer, select speed and duration and change the duration to 10 frames. Drag your adjustment layer and place it between the two clips. Next, go to the effects panel and search for VR glitch. Drag and drop it onto your adjustment layer. In the effects control, make sure you are at the beginning, then expand the distortion option, set color distortion to 100 and distortion rate to 75. Set a keyframe on color evolution and master amplitude and change it to 0. Move forward 5 frames and change both to 100. Move another 5 frames forward and set both value back to 0. You can also right-click on the effect and save it as a preset to use it later. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace!